Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe. In this quick video I'm just going to show you a really quick overview of the cooking modes of our air fryers. I've got here the NFCC 500 model and I'm just going to show you how you can use a cooking mode, select one, choose the time and temperature and then get started. So we've got 11 different cooking modes on our air fryers. They're all displayed on the control panel here. For clarity I'm just going to choose the chicken cooking mode. Once you select it, the icon of that mode will start flashing and you'll see a time appear in the display window. We can use the plus and minus icons to select the time that we want to cook the chicken for. I'll choose 20 minutes. Once we're happy with the time there, we want to press the time temperature button. That will bring up our temperature selector so we can adjust at what temperature we'd like the food cooked at. And once we're happy with that, press the power button again and the product will start cooking. Any other questions, please consult your operating instructions. Hope that helps. Thanks very much.